Alright guys, we're here at HomeGoods looking at all the, I about said Halloween, what is wrong with me? All the Valentine's Day decor. That is a very nice pillow. It's like thick, you know what I'm saying? Like it would keep its shape good. $24. That's cute. Let's see what else. I'm not really big into the red, you know, I'm a pink girly. Let's see. I love this one. My daughter's actually getting this one, so she's getting that for her dorm. And I don't know, I don't feel anything right here. Let's see. There's some over here, but I'm not really feeling any of these. That's okay. I'm not feeling these either. I fell on the pillows. And that's a cute one. I bought a blanket that I'll have to show y'all when I get home. It's super cute. That one's cute. But yeah, okay. Let's see what else they have. Some other stuff. These are actually kind of cute. I ain't even gonna lie. This is not really my style, I would say. But I kind of like it. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Don't like the rose gold. Do love those. Oh, there you go. If you don't get rid of your nutcrackers. Let's see what else they have over here. Anything that catches my eye. That's cute. I wouldn't put it in my house, but it's cute. Let's see what else they have. Do y'all see anything you like? That one's kind of cute. I need something to go in my room. I really, really do. And like I said, we're at HomeGoods now, but I think I'm going to head over to TJ Maxx. A lot of times they have a lot of duplicate stuff that they have here. But I kind of still want to see, just to see what they have. Now that's cute. See, I think that's precious. It's only $6.99. Okay, I'm probably going to get that. I dig that. That is cute, though. I do kind of like the gold love. I do like that. But I really like this too. That's so cute too. Oh gosh, which one do I get? Anything here? This is kind of cute. I mean, I guess if you're trying to make some jewels, but that'd be cute just to sit around the house. That's precious. Okay, they don't have a ton here. Let's go to the next store. These would match. We're at TJ Maxx. These would, oh, I just one. Oh my gosh, I might get this. It'll match my, it's 20 bucks, but it will match the towels I just bought. Okay, might be keeping that. Okay, so these are the ones they have here for Valentine's. And I kind of wanted one for Valentine's. How much is that? That's cute. 24. Just don't know. That's like the only one I like is that one. Some cute stuff. Out of all this, I like this. I don't know. It's a vase, but I mean, I wouldn't use it. This is kind of cute. This is cute. Just like looking to see what is my favorite. That's not horrible, but I don't know. It's not bad. Okay, there's more pillows down there. When they get done, I want to go see what's down there. Let's see what they have here. Little stuff to sit around. They got more of the beaded boxes. These are way bigger. I do like that one. That's okay. I'm happy with my purchases so far. Let's see, they have more pillows right here. Let's see what they got. Okay, nothing. Those are cute. But I don't know. Kind of still want to get these. I think I'm going to get these so they can stay on my bed year round. I'm getting 2 of those, and then the love pillow's cute, so I think I'm going to get that. I wonder if I have any of this at home. I may have to go pull them. We need to take Christmas down. Let's just be real. I got to take Christmas down. Life's been busy. This is about all the little decor I can find inside a Target. It's not a lot, y'all. And this is totally giving Halloween vibes. I don't know. Like, I don't see anything here. I'm like, oh yeah. I say the one thing that I thought was kind of cute was the ghost. But that's cute. That's kind of cute to sit around. I don't know how much it is though. Oh, $6. I can't read. And we're just looking at this, and that's it.